Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to computer online class. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing good, right? Okay, in today's class, we are going to see about advanced features of Word 2013. Okay, this is chapter 2, advanced features of Word 2013. Now we'll see what is a header and footer. Okay, you know the parts of your body, right? Where is your head? Where? So your head is at the top and your foot is at the bottom, right? Remaining parts you know very well. So head and foot where it is, head at the top and foot at the bottom, right? So in today's class we are going to learn this topic, that is header and footer in a Word document. Okay, how to insert header and footer. So what are the steps to be followed, that we'll see in today's class. Okay, so see this document, you can see something is typed at the top, right? So this is a header, okay, and at the bottom this is footer. Okay, so what is header and footer? Header is a piece of text that is printed at the top of each page. Okay, in the top margin in a document, whatever is typed, that is header. Okay, so what is header? Header is a piece of text that is printed at the top of each page. So it's very easy to say what is footer, right? So instead of top you can say bottom, okay, or bottom margin. See, footer is printed at the bottom of each page, that is in the bottom margin. Okay, are you clear now? Head and foot. Okay, so header at the top and footer at the bottom. Okay, don't forget it. Headers and footers are usually used to include additional information such as document name, chapter name, page number, date, etc. Okay, so what is the use of this header and footer? See, you can add your name, like document name, chapter name, page number, date, you can add at the top or at the bottom. Okay, so you might have seen it when you read some articles or journals or magazines, you might have watched this, right? Okay, so that is at the bottom, that is the footer. Okay, page number will be noted down, that is the bottom footer. Okay. By default, headers are printed 0.5 inches below the top edge of the page. Okay, so headers are printed 0.5 inch below the top edge. So near the edge, 0.5 below only the headers will be printed. Okay, and similarly footers are printed 0.5 inch above the bottom edge. Okay, so 0.5 inch gap will be there at the top and at the bottom. Okay. So now we'll see the steps to be followed to insert header and footer in a document. Okay, so first step, you have to click the insert tab. See this picture now, near to the home tab you can find the insert tab. So click the insert tab, okay, and click header in the header and footer group. See, where is the header and footer group? Here you can see the header and footer group. Okay, so in that you have to click header. Okay, now we are going to insert header, so click header in the header and footer group. So which tab? Insert tab. So don't forget, click insert tab and below that find the header and footer group and you have to click header to insert header. Okay, when you click header you can see designs like this. Okay, you can see the header gallery with different header designs and you can choose your desired style. Okay. So now you can click the blank header. Okay, at the top you can see the blank header style. You can click that, or else you can go for other options. So if you click that, you can see a design tab appears below the header and footer tools. So this is header and footer tools. Okay, below that you can see the design tab. Okay, it consists of many different options below that. Okay, and the cursor will be placed in the header area of the document. Type the header text. See, now you can see at the top the header area appears. Okay, so the cursor will be placed here and you can type it. Okay, document name, chapter name, or whatever maybe you can type in the header area. Okay, so now if you want to insert the footer, okay, click go to footer in the navigation group. See, the previous slide I have shown you the design tab, right? So in the same tab below that you can find the navigation group. Okay, see here under the header and footer tools you can find the design tab, right? So in that you can see the navigation group. Can you see? Yes. Okay, so in that navigation group you can click go to footer. Okay, you can see the go to footer option here, right? Okay, so in design tab you can see the navigation group here. So click the option go to footer. So the footer area will appear at the bottom of the document, or else you can go to insert at the first step I told you, no? So go to insert tab, then you have to click the footer option in the header and footer group. Okay, any one option you can choose, or else from directly after inserting the header you can insert footer from the navigation group. Okay, see, as I told before, go to insert tab, in the header and footer group you can find the footer option here. Okay, now you can type the footer text. Okay, and if you have to fill any options you can fill it. Now click close header and footer on the ribbon or press escape. So after inserting header and footer you can click escape, then the footer and header area will be closed, or else you can click this button close header and footer area. Okay. So once again let me show you how to insert header and footer in a Word document. Okay, so this is a Word document. So as I told you before, you have to click which tab? Insert tab, right? Okay, now you have to click the insert tab, and below that you can see the header and footer group, right? So here is the header and footer group, header and footer. So in that you have to click header. If you want to insert a header you can click header. Okay, so you can see many options, blank, 3 columns. Okay, so many different options are there. Okay, so I'll select a blank. See, now you can see the cursor pointer here, right? So if you want to type something you can type at the top. Okay, so suppose if you want to type the chapter name, that is advanced features of Word 2013. Okay, so chapter name I have typed here, so in the header area. Okay, so now you can see here design tab appears, right? When you insert the header you can see the design tab right below the header and footer tools. So can you see here below the header and footer tools you can see the design tab. Now if you want to insert the footer directly after inserting header you can find the option below, right? In the navigation group you can see go to footer. So when you click this you can see the footer area. See, in this page can you see the header and footer area? This is header part, okay, and this is footer part. So in the footer area if you want to type any text you can type it here. Okay, so I'll type here chapter 2. So whatever you want you can type it. Okay, chapter 2. Okay, So you can select the footer like this, or else you can go to insert tab like how you have inserted the header, no? So similarly, insert tab, header and footer group, click footer. Okay, the same appears here. So here you can type your text. Okay, now you understood? Are you clear how to insert the header and footer? Okay, now we'll see how to add a date or time in the header. Okay, so how to add date or time? So kindly you can refer your book page number 23. It's given there. Okay, so now I'll show you only the demo. Okay, first step, double click in the header or footer area. See, I'll click here, double click. Okay, so I'll erase this now. I want to add a date or time here. So double click in the header, or in the, now I'll click in the header area. Okay, now click the date and time in the insert group. See, not in the insert tab. Okay, so in the header and footer area itself, you can see the insert group here. Can you see? Yes, in this insert group you have to click date and time. Okay, don't forget it. Don't click this insert tab for inserting date and time. So after you click insert and you have inserted your header and footer, click in the header or footer area, and in the design tab, see here specially for this you have the design tab. In that you can go to insert tab here. So here you can find the date and time option. You can click this. Okay, click the date and time in the insert group. So when you click this, you can see a dialog box, right? Can you see date and time dialog box appears like this, right? So if you want the date and time formats like this, you can choose. As you wish, you can choose. Okay, so now I have selected this option. Then you can click OK. So see now, the date format appears here. So the date format what you have chosen appears here. Okay, suppose if you want the updated date, see tomorrow, if you open the document, I want tomorrow's date to be placed here. So what I will do, so you have one option here, update automatically. See, delete it, then go to insert group and you have to click date and time. See here, update automatically. So click that option, then click OK. Okay, so next time when you edit, you'll get tomorrow's date. Okay, so tomorrow if you open, you'll get tomorrow's date. So the date will be automatically updated. Okay, now you can click close header and footer. See, the date will be appearing there. Okay, now the header and footer area is closed. Okay, or you can click escape button also. So this is how to insert date and time. Okay, okay, I'll show you once again. So first you have to click header part. Okay, then in that insert group you can find date and time. So timing option is also available here, right? So timing, update automatically option. Okay, so 12:25 here. Okay, timing also you can update it. So now we will see how to add page numbers. Okay, now I gonna add the page number at the bottom, that is at the footer. Okay, so delete this now. So already we have inserted the footer, right? So in the design tab you can see the page number option. Can you see? Yes. So in the header and footer group you can find the page number option. Okay, in the insert group you can find date and time. Okay, and in header and footer group you can find the page number. So click that option. So you want the page number to be placed at the top of page like this, or at bottom of page. I want the page number to be placed at the bottom of page. Okay, see 4 different options are given here: left, center, right, and page 1. See, I have chosen this. So in the next page, how it will appear? As page 2. Okay, so I'll show you now. For the next page, you see, See page 2. See here, page number, top of page or bottom of page, okay, or current position, okay. Wherever you want, you can place the page numbers. Okay, this is how to insert the page number. Next, we'll see how to edit or delete a header and footer. Okay, so if you want to edit or delete it, just no need to do anything. Okay, see here is the header, the timing is here, right? So just double click in that area. Then if you want, you can edit it, okay, or else you can delete it. Then you can press escape button or close header and footer. So now you see, so now the header is deleted. Okay, this is how to edit and delete a header or footer. Okay, are you clear? Okay, dear children, in today's class we have seen how to insert a header and footer, right? And in that we have seen how to insert date, time and page number. We have seen how to edit and delete header and footer. We have seen, right? So I hope everyone is clear with this topic, right? Okay, if you have any doubts in this topic, you can contact me and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, so if you have computers or laptops in your home, you can just try these steps. Okay, so thank you, dear children. Have a great day.